Extra comfort. The Acer KA220HQ by 21.5 widescreen LCD with LED-backlit display combines stylish functionality with amazing 1920x1080 resolution, allowing you to enjoy high-definition entertainment in the comfort of your home. Incredible 100 million to 1 contrast ratio and rapid 5 milliseconds response time highlight the advanced technology. The KA220HQ by LCD also features HDMI VGA ports for greater compatibility, a Kensington lock slot to protect your investment, and Energy Star compliance to help you save money and energy. 21.5 Full HD, 1920x1080, widescreen TN display. Response time, 5 milliseconds. Panel type, TN. Acer VisionCare Technologies. Ports, 1x HDMI 1x VGA. VGA cable included. High-quality visuals. The KA220HQ by 21.5 monitor with 1920x1080 Full HD resolution in a 16:9 aspect ratio presents stunning, high-quality images with excellent detail. Bright and clear. Easily adjust display settings to best suit whatever you're viewing, data, media, movies or photos. Acer e-color management optimizes image performance, making each scenario more enjoyable viewing experience. Ergonomic setup. Find the working angle that suits you best with a screen that tilts from -5 to 15 degrees. These monitors are also wall-mountable, giving you clear views with more room. Top reviews from the United States. It's old stock made several years ago. I have monitor. I was trying to order the same, was sent one with similar model. One monitor had better quality. Mine that I have used 2 years. It is a cheap monitor, return it.